Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set company data location path at the time of company creation in TallyPrime. So here I am already opened this Tally. Here there is a new company. I am going to create one new company. For that there is option create company. Select the create company. So its screen is open. So I need to set my own data location path. That means I need to store this company in D drive, C drive, which drive, that means which drive you need to save your company data. Press backspace, then it will go to back. Here you can see company data path. From here you can select your data location path. Otherwise manually you can copy and paste the data location. So this is my folder. I already opened one folder. I need to create company in this folder. So I am just copying this data location path. This is in H drive tally data folder. So I am copying this path. Then here press escape, then paste. So H tally data. That means in H drive there is one folder tally data. I am going to create company in H drive and tally data folder. Inside that folder this company will create. Then select, then enter. Here you can create your company. Then put your address and all other details which one you need. Then finally save it. Once it's saved, you can open your folder. This is my folder. Here you can see there is a data. In this way you can specify your company location path. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more tricks in Tally.